I'm gonna go check on the vegetable garden that I just started planting a couple days ago. It's been crazy in the world right now. We all have to have our food source, and I'm blessed enough to have these veggie pods in our backyard. And we got to the organic vegetable nursery just in time before they closed. So let's check out how it's going. Planted it myself, put it together, and I'm super excited. So let's do it. Of course, one of the things I love and really hard to get to keep fresh is lettuce. So I did a whole bunch of different romaine lettuce. There's red seal, but basically romaine lettuce that I can always have. And these started seedlings, and look how beautiful they're taken in the veggie pods. My husband got me these veggie pods for my birthday, and I absolutely love them. They're up off the ground. They're in our dog park, and they're great. So I don't have to worry about it. The soil wasn't really great where we bought our property, so it's great to take them off the ground. But anyway, here's some more lettuce. Just all different kind of lettuce that I need, that I absolutely love, that only have to take a little bit at a time. Okay, so we are gonna get a lot of heads of lettuce for this. I will be giving it away to neighbors and family and friends. Seeing social distancing, so of course we'll be 6 feet away. But so we have a lot of lettuce. I don't know, this is probably 30, 40 heads of lettuce, okay? Right here, I did another red romaine lettuce, and I can see right here I gotta come and clean all these little weeds up. All this needs to be cleaned up, so that's today's job, to clean all this out. Arugula right here. Let's see, what else? Just all arugula in a gourmet blend. Over here are my other favorite peppers. I got sweet peppers, chocolate peppers, habanero peppers. Of course I got jalapenos. I'm super excited about this one because this is my pepper world, and I love cooking with peppers. So this is gonna be amazing, and they're taking very well. The great thing about the veggie pod, the water stays under here. So it's actually saving water, and then that cord up there sprays on them. When I close it, it sprays on them and they get a dose. So I never even have to water. It's self-watering, it's amazing. So, okay, peppers, squash. Here are all my squash, different squash, summer squash, yellow squash, tomatoes. I put my own little sticks on my tomatoes. We'll start the tomatoes here until they get really big. And then if they get too tall and too big, I will transpose those into bigger pots that won't be in the veggie pot. And then over here, I just did herbs. I did basil, I did cilantro, parsley, lemon balm, a little bit of more lettuce over there. Did I say cilantro, tarragon, chives? And then I usually do most of my herbs in my other part of my garden, which is my atrium in pots. But I filled them in here because I really want them healthy and growing, and I'm super happy. So I want everybody to stay safe out there. Let's stay home, all the home projects we can do. I'm working on all kind of home projects, so I'm super excited. Let's stay safe. I hope everybody is blessed and safe out there. And I'm sending you all my love, and we got to get through this, and let's be positive. What I love about our property out here are my neighbors. The horses and the pigs that live behind. Hi guys! They're so beautiful. An alley in the valley. I'm really gonna get into getting some chickens and getting a chicken coop, so we can just be, as much as we can, have our food on our land.